Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2008 New Holland BR7090 in good condition. This round baler produces 5x6 foot bales and uses a 1000 PTO, and features a standard pickup with manual lift and dual gauge wheels, along with an electronic bale monitor and bale kicker. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR7090. Interested in this baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.